Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I am doing my acrylic pourings. I already primed these canvases. They're already pre-primed, but I found them a little rough, so I did again, and it's finally dry. I also already prepared all the colors, because that takes quite a while to do that, especially with so many colors. But yeah, I wanted to show you because it is not really a hard way to make art. I mean, it does require some preparation. I've been working on this for a few hours already, but it's not extremely hard. You just need to be patient and do so, and practice a little bit to, you know, get the hang of it, get the right structure of the colors, and also gain a little bit understanding of the compositions and, you know, the things that you want to create. But it's always going to be a little surprise, you know. It will never be exactly the same. But I really enjoy this kind of painting because it allows me to really let my creativity flow and also not be too perfectionist about it. So yeah, I already primed the canvases, as I told you, and I prepared all the colors. I mixed them here in the cups. I prepared the white flow. So the cups, the colors in the cups, I prepared them with different colors of green and yellow. Some colors that I mixed because there are certain colors that the client wanted me to use, and I use this quite cheap pouring medium. Doesn't have to be expensive. I use silicones in the colors, but in the white flowy color I don't use any silicones. So I only use the pouring medium, no silicones. But in the colors I use the pouring medium and the silicones. I also had this green one left that I need to use, and I will explain you why I need to use certain colors in here. Because I already made one painting for this client, but he wanted more. So this is quite a challenge because I had to try and recreate some of the colors because they were mixed colors. So I hope it's going to be alright, but we'll see. If it doesn't go to plan, then I can always redo it. So this is a very long painting, but yeah, this is the first painting and I really like this one. So I'm going to make two more from 40 to 40 centimeters. And yeah, let's try this. I have some smaller canvases underneath these ones. Sometimes, you know, I like to experiment and see see what comes out of all the colors that drip off. But it doesn't always turn out well, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm a little bit nervous because this is my first time recording. But if it turns out crap, then I'll delete it anyway. So yeah. I don't have much space, which is also quite annoying, but you have to do with what you have to do with. Oh, I wanted to show you, I have these pure cotton stretch canvases from Talent. It's quite a good brand. But you know, if this is your first try, I suggest using a little less expensive. I mean, these are not extremely expensive, but yeah. If you wanted to try it first, use inexpensive materials and see if you like the process. So I'm going to flip these cups, or you know, just pour them. I usually don't flip them. Some people flip them, but I just pour them. And I will use the white flowy paint surrounding it. I probably squish some white paint as well. If there isn't enough paint, I will add this color as well. It's also in here. So the key is to make sure you have enough paint that you can splash around. Okay, we'll see. Add some white surrounding it. This will make sure that all the canvas will be covered, because I really like it when these sides are also well covered. Okay, these are done. Of course, these are not going to be the same. I try to apply, you know, the same color scheme when I pour them into the cups, but it's never going to be the same. And it doesn't need to be. That's the fun of it. Add some more white. The silicones will create cells in the paint so that different colors come through it, like bubbles, which is really cool. And to create these silicones, we will use blow dryer. Mine is not very strong, but it will do the trick. Not too much. And then let's try it. Okay, so what we need to do now is some more white. Because we want some white elements in there. Hope it works out. A little bit more here. Yeah, this is going to be better, I think. I'm going to apply some heat again. Okay, what I'm going to do is take these. Okay, add some more heat. Okay. I think I'm quite satisfied. Especially this one. I really like this one. So I wanted to show you the end result of the paintings that I was working on. I'm really happy with these. I applied a clear varnish to make them a little bit shiny. Okay, so this is the larger painting, the first one that I made, and then yeah, the client was very satisfied, so he wanted the other two that I just showed you and that I showed how to make. But I wanted to show you this one as well. I really like the cells here. And the teal greenish part here. So these are the little ones that I was working on. So I tried to use some of the paint from the first big squared paintings. the 40 by 40 centimeter paintings. But I had to apply some more paint and, you know, add a little bit of my magic because it wasn't enough paint and it didn't turn out that great, so I had to work on that a little bit. I didn't record it because I have to do these things so fast that sometimes it's a little bit stressful. So, but I wanted to show you the end result. I painted the sides one color, like light green, because not all the paint was covering the sides, and I thought this would look neater. I generally don't like it when the sides of a painting are left white or messy, so I always try to, you know, clean it up somehow, and it looks gorgeous. And I added a clear varnish to get the shiny effect, and I'm generally really happy with these as well. So yeah, if you want me to do paintings like these, if you want me to do a commission work for you, you can email me at info@thegardenofeve.org. I have some more paintings on my Instagram at the lower bar Garden of Eve on Instagram. You can see the stuff that I make. It's very diverse at the moment. Eventually I want to put them on my website as well, thegardenofeve.org, but you know, I will first make some more and we'll see about that, all in good time. But yeah, hope you like these tutorials, but yeah, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of if you want to see more of this, if you enjoyed watching it, and hope to see you next time. Bye!